we're going to do something simple, and I've done something more complex with it, and I'll decide which way that I like it. So here is Adobe Premiere Pro 2017, and I open it up and it looks like this to do a new project, and we'll just name it something to do with dance, and I'm putting it in Premiere folder. All right, and then you see the screen. The first thing that I need to do is import the media, and I am going to come and find my media in the entitled folder, and there's my Adobe Photoshop animation MP4, so I'm going to import that. And we want to make sure that the screen size and everything's good. So we're going to take that and pull it over here to create a sequence. And there is the movie. And I can pull that up over here. And if it's right, the whole entire sequence and screen will show up here, which is doing just fine. All right, so next thing I wanted to do is add a sound. And I'm going to put a really simple sound with it. So instead of just double clicking here, you also can go to import, and import will be the easiest. And I think I'll go with this one and just use one sound file, and that's what it is. It's right there. And I can drag the sound over and put it underneath. Now you see that my sound file is really quite long, so I have to cut it off. And I'm going to use this razor blade right here and cut it exactly at the end. So I've made the cut mark, and you can see the cut mark. Now I take my arrow and I click on the arrow, and if I right click, I can cut it away, and that's what I've done. And now here is what I'll do to see how my movie is going to turn I actually like that one better than the first one. All right, the most important step is to put your in and your out so that you can export it. So right here is the out, and where it says go out, or you can click Shift O, and we're going to put that go out right there to go out. And then we're going to come to the beginning, and then we have to put go in or Shift I. And that has to go at the beginning here in order for it to import correctly. So I have an in and I have an out. Then I can go File to Export Media. All right, we're going to use the H.264 format. We're going to export audio and video. We're going to come here where it says Match Source and come down to YouTube. I'm going to do YouTube 1080p HD and sequence out. And then you need to put it where you can find it. So I'll put Nate Simple 1 Media 4, Simple 1, I'm going to call it Dance. On my desktop, video file, save, and export. Now if I've done this right, I will actually have it, and it'll be on my desktop. And we'll look and see. And there it is, Dance MP4. That's it. Then you're ready to upload it